In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted Asana tasks. If you've ever accidentally deleted a task or just need to retrieve a previously deleted item for reference, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. First off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Asana's website. Once you've arrived there, log in using your credentials. This should take you directly to your Asana homepage. Your homepage is the central hub of all your projects and tasks, and from here you can perform a variety of actions. But today, we're focusing on retrieving those tasks you might have thought were lost forever. Once you're on your homepage, locate the search bar, which is conveniently positioned near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the search options available to you. You'll see an option for advanced search. This feature is incredibly handy for narrowing down all sorts of data within Asana, and it will be particularly useful for what we're doing today. So let's click on Advanced Search to dive a bit deeper. You'll then need to specify the type of item you're looking for. Since we're dealing with tasks today, make sure to select Task as your type. This will help you focus your search on the right kind of entity within Asana, ensuring that you're not casting your net too wide and sifting through irrelevant data. Narrowing it down to tasks is a simple but crucial step. Next, you'll want to adjust the location setting. By changing this to Anywhere, you're ensuring that your search will span across your entire Asana workspace. This is really important because, by doing so, you're capturing any deleted tasks which may not be tied to a specific project or section. This broad sweep makes sure you don't miss anything lurking in the hidden corners of your workspace. Now here's the key part, and it's where the magic happens. Set the status of the task to Deleted. Asana's advanced search allows you to specify this, which means you're explicitly telling the system that you want to see tasks that have been removed. It's an efficient way of pinpointing exactly what you're looking for without sifting through everything else. Finally, once all your criteria are set, go ahead and click on Search. As Asana works its magic, it will display a list of tasks that were previously deleted. From this list, you can review each task, restoring anything you may need to resurrect or simply investigate further. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to find deleted tasks within Asana. This feature is a lifesaver if you ever need to recover lost information, and now you can confidently access your deleted tasks whenever the need arises. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.